Today on a quick speed shop, I'm getting my Econoline van ready to go to Hershey. So this is the beginning stages of packing. All this stuff I brought back from the other video where I picked up those K.R. Wilson engines and all that. You can see that over here. How about over there? Bank. So I've been inventorying all that here. I got stuff on the ground. I'm started to pack the van. Let me show you the packing process. When you're packing out, boxes and bins are your friends. All these yellow bins came with the stuff I picked up. Got fuel pumps in here. I've got ignition parts over here. I've got a dollar bin going here. I've got other things laid out, so it helps keep things organized. And I'm going to make cardboard signs out of flaps of cardboard about this big with little alligator clamps. I can clamp these on here, and they'll sit on tables so people can come see what the price is, dig through what they want. For example, fuel pumps, I'll probably put $10 a fuel pump on here on a sign, and you can just come pick out what you want. So I'm going through organizing these boxes, getting them ready, and then I've already got some started in the van. We'll go over there and I'll show you how it's all like a game of shapes. You gotta like play Tetris with the boxes and get the maximum amount of action in the van that you can, and then hope that you didn't forget anything. So let's go around the other side of the van and we'll check it out. Alright, so here in the van I've already started a row of boxes and whatnot here. I've got all my intake manifolds stacked up nice. I got a couple of transmissions over here that are riding kind of nested together. I've got my aluminum intakes between the seats over here. Just kind of try to stagger the weight. And now what I'm going to do is I want to make another level here, and I want a kind of a flat surface to stack these yellow bins on. So I've got an old piece of carpet. I'm going to carpet over these with some old shag carpet, and then do another layer of boxes on top of these seats. Now the boxes just kind of nest here on top of the carpet, like so. Everything just kind of nests together. I'll just look over here. Oh, that's nice there. I'm a little wonky down here, but I think I'll be alright once I get this thing situated. Keeping things in totes like this is real handy because you can unload it fast, display it. Put your sign right on here, you can display fast. And then when you're done with the show, you lay the sign down in the box and load up and you're out of there. So I think this is as high as I want to go. I've got some long things that are going to lay on top of everything, like there's a panel truck running board and a set of 37 to 39 running boards. They're going to lay on top of all this when I get done. But I'm going to keep packing for a little bit and we'll check it out when I get it out half loaded. Alright, the next thing I want to try to do is try to nest some of the stuff in here. I've got a couple of doors that I want to stack up here long and try and nest all this stuff together. So I'm going to load those in, and then up here I'm going to put another moving blanket when I get done, and I'm going to got a couple of seats I want to keep nice and not have it get ripped. I'm just going to throw up on top of all this just loose. But I got a couple of doors, let me grab those and we'll nest them in here. It's all a game of shapes. Game of shapes. They nest together just fine, just like this. Yeah, it should be alright. These will nest together fine here, help lock all this front stuff in. And then I've got a Model T turtle deck, which I've got to make a frame for tomorrow. And that's going to be very delicate, so I got to figure out where I got to put this. But I also have that Sun engine equipment, which I want to roll in here. So I might set that up in here now, kind of like this. I got to get my wooden tables and all that out. They can lay on top of things. My sawhorses, and I got to keep a spot in the back for my wagon. So I'm always trying to think where's stuff going to go when I'm loading this up. Alright, well, it took all afternoon here, and it got real hot out. It's like 75 degrees. I've been sweating all day, but I got the van loaded. Like I said, it was a game of shapes. I got everything fitted in here just nice. Kind of got it anti-rattled with some blankets and whatnot. I even got the Model T turtle deck mounted up on a bracket and stood up back in there. So everything's working good. Whew. I'll go around and show you the side door, but the back is loaded. I even got a little extra space to throw miscellaneous odds and ends in here. And here it's a pretty tight squeeze. The door racks all this stuff in. I just got to put my clothes in here and I should be ready to go. Got to pick up one or two little odds and ends at the hardware store, some tags and whatever. But this is wadded in here good now too, and it's ready to go. So that's it. That's how you pack your van for Hershey. I'm rolling out tomorrow first thing in the morning, and hopefully I'll be down there around noon or a little after and get set up on my space. So I hope you guys went down there and had a good time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I put out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit the subscribe button up here on the van, and then we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.